Welcome back, my people. Welcome back. We're here with the Volvo again today. Yeah, I've taken off this fuse panel right here because what? You wouldn't dare to tell me what's my issue. My issue is okay, no radio. It's kind of messy for you guys. Let me just clear that away. So yeah, turn the key, no radio. I need to give you guys a rundown on what happened. Anyway, I can't find the actual one, but we had one of these plugged in. It's not exactly like this. It was a black one, but it's the same thing that happened. But my wife was plugging it out, and this part, for some reason, on the other one that we had, that part came out, and it seemed like it ground in the hole. Let me show you guys. I don't know if you guys will be able to see in the hole, but let me just show you an idea of what I'm talking about. So, as you guys know, this would go in here, right? But the other one, it broke off, and it allowed some of those things, like that middle part right there is supposed to be the live, and that part's supposed to be the ground. So whatever happened within the time, I even see evidence here. This came off the top. Yeah, this came off the top of the other one. Get a little focus there. So yeah, no more than it probably ground together in there, and that's what happened. But anyway, guys, so the whole point of this video is about finding the fuse for your radio on your 2006 Volvo Xc90. So you just grab your owner's manual. It's my owner's manual here. You're in probably be a little bit different, but this is mine right here. On the vehicle that I will be working on. So you will need your owner's manual to figure this one out. So I could just go run through the fuse and figure out like which one of the fuse are blown, but at the end of the day is this this car here has 4 different compartments where it carry fuses. This part that we're looking at here is the side one right here, see, and the side when you just go in the car, that's on the driver's side, which is right here, which that one is right there. I removed that panel already, but I doubt that it's that one. I don't think it's that one. It says audio navigation there and stuff like that, but I'm leaning to audio amplifier as well, but it's not the amplifier I'm worried about. I'm worried about the one that gives the radio power. So I moved over here. I see heated passenger seat. That's number 1, and number 2 is the driver's seat. Number 3 is the horn. Audio system right here. So this panel, this one would be up underneath. So it's gonna be kind of tricky, guys. I don't know if I will be able to video at the same time while I'm doing it, but I'm definitely gonna show you guys right now where it is located. Okay, guys, we're here. That ding, that ding, that ding. Anyway, so they're saying I have to remove this part here. So they said, so after removing that, I guess this will need to be removed as well. You gotta remove these 2 screws. They look kind of for special made, so it's not Philip or it's not a flat point screwdriver. But as I said, guys, I don't think I'll be able to hold the phone while doing all of this. So I'll be right back. When I take it off, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, guys. I pulled out this. I pulled out the underneath part, and I see these wires. Whosoever had this car before, I don't know what's going on here, but something is connected to the fuse. Seemed like it didn't want to start before, but that's another story. Anyway, after you remove this, not that one, but this piece here, the small piece that comes from up underneath here, which is this part. You can just put that to the side. But the piece that came from on this side right here, it has a legend on it. So if you look carefully, you will see that the legend is showing you like what number fuse is where. It's not like the normal legend that we're used to seeing, but it's it's quite straight to the point. So once you know what you're doing, you will understand it. So it's on the side piece. The legend is on the side piece where it tells you where you locate what fuse. So it doesn't say like exactly what the fuse is does, because as you can see, it's just showing you the location, which one is where. So yeah, guys, let's get to this. Let's find this fuse, get this radio back up and running. So another thing, guys, if you don't have the fuse puller, you can just use a bird beak pliers like this one, but take your time. You don't want to crack the edge of the fuse. Let me just show you an example. Just put it in there like this, rack it a little bit, and you see it comes right out. That one was from our blower and stuff like that. So you can just do that. See, just put it back in right there. Oh man, guys, I think we found the culprit. Take our time. Let's see. Uh-huh. There it is, guys. See? That one is, yeah, that's our radio fuse right there. Yeah, not just our radio fuse, but this fuse also controls if you should plug in your chargers, you know what I mean? Like your 12-volt chargers, whether it's for your phone or anything like that. You know, this controls it. You will still have power in your dash and everything, but your radio and like your charger, cigarette lighter parts, everything right there goes dead without this fuse right here. And I've been having a lot of trouble with it since the past couple of days because I didn't have the time just to change this one fuse. But anyway, let's get into it. Now, okay, here we are. So guys, before you go and replacing your fuse with just any fuse, you need to get the correct amperage. You know what I mean? So you have to get the correct amperage. If it's a 15 fuse, get a 15. If it's a 10 amp, get a 10 amp. You have to make sure it is the correct fuse, okay? So with that being said, right now I had a bunch of extra fuse on the side panel, but to be honest with you, I took off the side panel yesterday. I got busy. I should have never taken it off. Now it's somewhere here, somewhere around here, not knowing where exactly it is. Somewhere probably over there in my stuff. I'm not sure, but this place is, yeah, it's the garage. So a lot of things, my wires, because you know I do electrical work as well. So it's somewhere here, but I cannot find it. So for now, I need to hear my radio. So what am I gonna do? This is just fix it anyway. So we definitely can do something to help ourselves. So guys, I'm gonna do a little trick. Don't do this at home. If you don't have some knowledge of what you're doing. I mean, what I'm doing, what I'm showing you is basically to help. But you know, in everything that you do, be careful and do it safely. You know what I mean? All right, so let me show you guys what I'm about to do. Okay, first thing I did, guys, was get this piece of wire here. You definitely don't need all this, but what I'm about to do right now is strip it down take off the plastic off of it so I can expose the copper wire that's inside here, just like so. So next thing I'm gonna do is, yes guys, so this, definitely don't use too much of the wire. You don't need it to be too thick, because if it's too thick, if anything should happen within that process, it won't be able to burn the wire if it's too thick. So don't wrap it up too thick. Don't use a lot of the wire, because then it would be hard to burn. If I were you, I would just use two strands the most, because that's what I did right there. I just wrap it around multiple times so it looks like, but two strands of the wire would be okay. Even if you want to use one will do. I'm telling you, one strand. Don't use too many strands, because if the fuse should like try to burn again, and then it won't be able to, because the strands are too thick, then something else is going to get damaged, and we don't want that. So stay safe of that. Don't just do this, oh, because, oh yeah, I can just wrap my fuse or bridge my fuse. No, be careful while doing it, and always expect the unexpected. So I appreciate you guys. So let me get it in, see if my radio is back up and working again. Let's go. So, so guys, here it go. It's time for moment of truth. Oh, here we go. So guys, there you have it. If your cigarette lighter, your 12-volt cigarette lighter is out in your Volvo Xc90, this is where the fuse is located. It's located underneath your steering column. That is where you go find that fuse. Thank you guys for checking out the video. If this video was helpful to you, please like the video, share for me please, and do remember to subscribe, guys. Please subscribe, please like the video, please share. I really appreciate it. Just fixed it. I'm out.